Hi everyone. As we know that summer season has arrived and we all are dealing with suntan. So today I am here with a simple yet effective remedy to keep your skin tan free. Let's make an effective D10 mask for face and body. Turmeric. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. It also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. Gram flour or basin does an excellent job in skin lightening. Gram flour contains zinc that fights dark spots, reduces blemishes, and early signs of aging. Coffee. Coffee is a natural exfoliator that gently pulls out dead skin cells and impurities from skin's deepest layers. Curd helps boost your skin's overall glow and leaves you with a brighter and more even toned complexion. Milk has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe and calm irritated and inflamed skin. The cooling effect of milk provide relief to sunburned skin. So in a clean bowl, let's take 2 tablespoons of gram flour, a pinch of turmeric, a tablespoon of coffee, then 2 tablespoons of curd. Now mix all the ingredients and then add milk to adjust the required consistency of the mask. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and make it a thick paste like consistency. And finally, our D10 pack is ready to use. You can use a brush or simply your hands to apply the mask on your face, neck, hands, legs, or any part of your body which is tanned. Now let's apply the mask. Here you can see I am applying the D10 mask on my hands. Then leave the mask for 20 minutes. This is how it looks after 20 minutes of drying. After 20 minutes, gently scrub the mask with wet hands. Scrub it for 3 to 5 minutes. Then wash the mask with lukewarm water. You will see visible difference just after first use. I recommend to use this mask only once a week. Guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, subscribe and let me know your experience in the comment section. Thanks for watching.